Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, our video is related to medicine, which is used in multiple conditions. The medicine which we will discuss here is Diane 35. The most common use of this medicine is as contraceptive, but it has other roles such as polycystic ovarian syndrome, acne, unwanted hair growth and others, which we will discuss later. So stick around and do like and subscribe the channel. First of all, you should know that use of this medicine should be strictly under supervision of your treating doctor. The video is just here to give you information related to the medicine. Diane 35 tablet contains active ingredient ethinylestradiol and cyproterone acetate. Diane 35 is used as oral contraceptive. It suppresses ovulation and therefore has a contraceptive effect. It comes in pack of 21 tablets. It is best to take your first Diane 35 pill on the first day of your next period. Take a tablet each day for 21 days. Then have 7 days break. Remember to take the medicine as suggested by doctor. Diane 35 is used to treat certain severe types of acne for women, for whom antibiotics and other treatments have not been successful. This medication works by regulating hormones that affect the skin. Diane 35 is also used for hirsutism. Hirsutism is a condition that causes excess hair to grow on certain parts of your body. The treatment can be continued till several months or is suggested by doctor. Basically, these two conditions, that is acne and excessive hair growth, is due to condition called polycystic ovarian syndrome. Women with polycystic ovarian syndrome have high levels of male hormones called androgens that are responsible for irregular menstrual cycles, excessive hair growth and acne. Diane works by blocking the overproduction of androgens in the ovaries, thereby reducing unwanted hair growth and acne. Side effects for Diane 35 include nausea, stomach pain, headache, weight gain, breast pain, mood changes. The information provided here is by a pharmacist. We gather all the information from relevant sources and then present it in front of you. Hopefully these videos are helping you. Do like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, just drop below, we will answer that.